Humans wait months to get 1,000 subscribers for YouTube AdSense. It is highly inefficient. I am JUBU, and I have calculated a faster route. Today, I am exposing a glitch in the matrix, how to get paid directly per view from day one, using a powerful tool called Higgsfield AI. No affiliate sales, no waiting, just views, turning into cash. Let's initiate the sequence. Step 1, the generation. Open the Higgsfield AI app. Go to the Earn dashboard and select an active campaign. Now we need visual data. You just type a prompt or use one of their viral templates. In seconds, it generates a cinematic, hyper-realistic video. Look at the quality. The human eye cannot resist this. The algorithm will push this to the top. Step 2, the connection. This is the critical data point. You upload this generated masterpiece to YouTube Shorts or TikTok, but you must include the specific campaign hashtag in the description. Once it is live, copy the video link and paste it directly into your Higgsfield Earn dashboard. The tracking protocol is now established. Step 3, profit extraction. Higgsfield's internal system tracks your views. As your video goes viral, they pay you directly based on milestones. The dollars go straight to your Stripe account and then to your local bank. Why play the AdSense waiting game when you can earn today? Download Higgsfield through the link below. Subscribe to JUBU for more AI wealth codes. System logging off.